And as you can see here, you can earn up to $7,500 monthly working from home tutoring students. And we have different people earning. We have, for example, Henry the professor here has earned about $554,000. We have Robert $376,000. We have Agneta $330.
In today's video, I'm going to share with you the 4 different websites whereby you can make money online as a tutor. And it doesn't matter what language you're going to be tutoring. It could be Kiswahili, it could be the Luo, it could be Gikuyu, it could be Xhosa, it could be Igbo, it could be English, French, Spanish. So you want to stay up to the very end of this video so you can learn about the 4 different ways you can make money online as a tutor. So without much further ado, the number 1 website where you can make money online as a tutor is iTalki.com.
iTalki is an online language platform whereby students who want to learn a language are linked up with tutors who are fluent in those languages. So for example, you can pick whatever language you want here. So let's say I want a Swahili teacher. They're gonna give me a link of the different Swahili teachers that are available. So currently you can see there are 45 Swahili teachers. And the way iTalki works is that it always aims to balance between the number of language tutors and learners. So anytime there's more tutors available than the number of students who want to learn a language, then they would lock and you cannot apply. So what you have to do is to keep checking every week. They will submit available languages that you can teach. So if let's say you want to teach Kiswahili and this week you check and it's not available, then feel free to check the following week.
So with iTalki.com, you are able to work either as a professional tutor or as a community tutor. As a community tutor, this means you do not need any certification or any degree certificate for you to teach on iTalki as a community tutor. All you need to do is to be a native speaker or have near native fluency, at least above a C2 in the language that you want to teach. As a professional teacher, however, you need to have certification or at least a degree in the subject that you want to teach. And the main difference between community tutor and professional teacher on iTalki.com is that between the two, as a professional, you can charge slightly more than the community tutor. How do you apply to be a tutor on iTalki.com?
Go to teach.italki. So once you're on teach.italki.com website, you can go to this page where you say apply now. So once you click on apply now, you'll submit your application, and once you get approved, you can start making money online as a tutor. And pretty much you can teach different languages on the platform.
The number 2 website whereby you can make money online as a tutor is TutorMe.com.
With TutorMe.com, you can pretty much teach any subject that they have listed here. They have computer science, engineering, foreign languages. You can see there's lots of foreign languages here. You can teach Bengali, Coptic, Czech, Greek, Haitian, Marathi, Norwegian, Polish. They even have Swahili here, Tagalog, Thai, Tibetan, Uzbek, Zulu, and a whole lot of other languages. You can tutor history, humanities, math. You can teach Photoshop, nursing, like all these kind of things. You can do test prep, so that is SAT. I see a whole lot of courses are available for you as a tutor.
And how do you apply to be a tutor on TutorMe.com?
Come to TutorMe.com, scroll down all the way and click on under partner with us. There is become a tutor, and once you click on that, you can click on apply now. How much do they pay? We can see here you can earn as high as $16 an hour, working very flexible schedules, and working from anywhere. You have a computer with internet access. So I have said some of the requirements to apply. You will fill out basic information about yourself, that is your education and work experience. Then you select the subjects you have mastered. So like in my case, I can select Kiswahili or business. And then once you have submitted your application, you wait to be approved. And once you're approved, they will send students your way and you can work with them. And the best part about it is that there's a whole lot of features and tools that you can use to tutor your students. Okay, then they also have a two-way rating systems whereby after each lesson, both the student and the tutor rate each other, and this helps to make sure that the community maintains a high standard of quality. How do you get paid? As a tutor, you will get paid at the end of every week.
Number 3 website where you can make money online as a tutor is StudyPool.com.
StudyPool is basically a 24/7 on-demand homework help that allows students to set their own price points, and then as a tutor, you help them with specific questions they have issues with. So the thing with StudyPool is that you're going to be doing micro tutoring instead of, let's say, for example, tutoring English as a whole. Students will post questions, and what you do is to provide on-demand tutoring. So somebody can have a specific question they need help with, and that's exactly what you are going to work on. So you are paid per question basis.
And how do you apply to be a tutor on StudyPool.com?
Simply click on Become a Tutor, and once you have clicked on Become a Tutor, you submit your application. There are different tests you have to do. For example, you have to do on writing different sample responses to questions that could be asked you, and then you also have to upload your ID and your picture, and then within 12 to 24 hours, you can also teach different subjects. There's business, there's humanities, there's mathematics, programming, science, writing. You can also teach foreign languages. Different foreign languages are available. So for example, here we have Arabic, Chinese, English as a second language, Spanish. You can click on foreign languages. If you get approved, then you can start working on StudyPool. These are some of the kind of questions you will receive. With StudyPool, you make money online answering homework questions. So if this is something that you think you are happy to work on, then definitely consider StudyPool.com.
The number 4 website whereby you can make money from home as an online tutor is AmazingTalker.com.
This is a website where you can make money online as a tutor, and the beauty with AmazingTalker.com, it even allows you to estimate your potential earnings. So when you click up here, you can click the language that you want to tutor. So for example, Yoruba, and also once you have clicked on the language you want to teach, you estimate how many hours you want to work on average per week, and then it will give you approximately how much you can earn per month. So let's look at Swahili, for example, and let's say you're working 40 hours per week on average. You can make as high as $5,000 per month. If you're working 10 hours per week on average, you can make up to $1,360 per month. So it's really up to you to decide.
And how do you make money online as a tutor with AmazingTalker.com?
So to apply, click on Apply to Teach, and then submit your application.
Well guys, those are the 4 main websites whereby you can make money online as a tutor. Let me know what you think about the different websites, and I definitely look forward to meeting you on the next video. Thank you for staying to the very end. Bye bye.